circle to the word on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So I have already opened my Google Docs page here. So to insert the circle on Google, on Word, on Google Docs, we need to use the tools called drawing. For that we need to go in this insert options. Now we have drawing here. Go to the new, then the page, one pop-up page will be open here. Okay, so simply go to shape options. Under the first option, shapes, we need to this click on this circle shapes, just click on it. Now you have to just click and hold it and draw the circle. Okay, just take the size which you want. Okay, after you take size, just keep it like this. Now go to this color option and make the transparent. Okay, now just double click on it. Now you will able to write, so you can write the any word which you want. Okay, after you write, just select that word, go to this three dot option and make the align center. Okay, so I already make this as center align. Okay, so now you can also change the outline. You can change the outline size, you can change the color of these outlines if you want. You can also select the text again and you can change the size of the text like this. You can make it bold. Okay, after you've done everything, just go to save and close it. Now it is insert. Now you can minimize the size from here. Okay, but when you move it, it unable to move. For that we need to select this option, wrap to text or behind the text, or whatever you want you select. Now just click on it and you can able to move it throughout the page. So just move like this. Okay, so that is how you can put the circle on Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.